Now we are going to do our box braided design for our turban. We'll still be using our lycra material. I'll be cutting out 4.14 inches in two places for the handle of the box braid. This is 4 inches by 14 inches. 4 by 14 inches in two places. This 4 inches, this 14 inches in two places. Now I'll fold it to the wrong side and use my needle and thread to run it down to this place on my machine, from here to this place. And this other one, I'll run it down. After running it down, I'll show you. Now I have sewn it. Can you see it? From here down, I let this other side open from where I will open it from. Then I'll turn it. I'll turn the both of them to the front. Now I have my two handles all turned to the front. Now you keep it aside. Now for the box braided design, this is the pieces I measured 1.5 inches by 60 inches. 1.5 inches by 60 inches. You cut it out in 4 places. There are 4 in number. Now you get the first one. And turn it into two, fold it into two, sorry. Then from your left hand side, you keep it this way. Pin it down so that what you folded won't fall out. Now when you keep this one at your left hand side this way, you bring another piece and fold into two. 1.5 by 60 inches. You fold it into two. From your right hand side, you bring it in this way. You keep it like this. Can you see it? Make sure it doesn't fall out. Now later on you get another piece as well. This is another piece folded into two. Now from your left hand side, in up of it, you put this under this one, under this first one, and bring it out on top of my right hand side here. Can you see what I'm doing? Leaving this small one remaining here. Then you bring another piece that is folded into two. That is my 1.5 by 60 inches folded into two. You take it under here from your right hand side, because this one is already up, and bring it up to your left hand side, leaving the smaller one remaining here. From this first side, you can see these small parts are remained here. They're in 4 places. What I'll do is that I'll take all of them under this. I'll take all of them under and tie them up with my matching thread. Take it under. I'll gather all of them under. As I'm gathering under, make sure your square is formed very well. You form your square very well. As you have taken them under, you need to form your square very well before you tie it up. Make sure your square is formed very well before tying it up. Now when they are properly in place, you tie it up from under. Tie the under with your matching thread. I'm using black thread because I don't have the color of this and I couldn't find it. Tie it under. If you don't understand what I'm doing, you rewind your video and watch it again. Now after tying it from under, see under it, I tied with my thread. Then you cut out the excesses. Now I'll continue forming our box braid. I'll bring this zone like this, the first one like this. You can start with any one you want to start with. You bring it like this, use this very one and come down like this. Then you use this one to come this way. Then this fourth one, you put it under from the first one where you started from. Put it under it and bring it out. Now you arrange it very well before you start with another one. Remember, you can start with any of the pieces. Anyone you want to start with, you start with it. This is what you keep on doing until you get to the tip of this fabric. I want to start with this very one. I'll put it down. I'll place it down. Make sure you arrange it very well. After bringing down this very one, you take this one like this to your right. Then you bring this one in like this. Don't forget to remove your pins while you are working. Then use this fourth one. When it gets to the fourth one, when you're doing this, you fold it inside the next one and you start again. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one is to fold it under. You take it under, sorry. I'm taking this one under and you tie it up. Don't make it too tight, so that's what you're doing won't be so rough. Then you start with another one. You take this one to your right hand side, you bring this one down. When you start doing it, you see that it is easy. Remember, I started with this one 1, this one 2, this other one 3. Now when you get to the fourth one, you put it inside. That's what I mean. Keep doing this until you get to the tip of your box braid. You can start with any one you want. If you want to start with this, you start. If you want to start with this, you start. Let me start with this one here. You take it in like this. Bring this one down. Take this one like this. That's the third one. Then the fourth one, you take it inside and bring it out. Make sure you arrange it properly. Keep on doing this until you get to the tip, as I told you. At the end, this is the finished work of our box braid design. At the end, I tied it the way I tied it from the beginning. Now we'll be attaching our handle inside. We'll be putting this inside our handle. You put it inside, and the other side as well, you put it inside. Now when you put it inside, you fold in this part inside so that it won't be shown. You fold it inside, and this is how it looks like. Then with your needle and thread, you sew the both sides, this side and this side, and cover it up. Sew it tightly. Now after sewing, at the end of the day, this is what we have. So we're going to attach it to our turban. Now when attaching, you attach it to this place, to the end of this V shape. You can tie it like that with the handle at the back, or you can use your needle and thread to sew it. You sew it from the inside here. So that's the way it is. Now this is how it looks like. I hope you can see it. I didn't sew my own, I just tied it at the back. Can you see how it looks like? Thanks for watching. Bye.